Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is my first video of 2019. So happy new year. I hope you've all had a lovely Christmas, and let's all get back on the healthy eating because I just feel so fat and bloated and yuck. So I'm going back to Slimming World later today. So I'll pop a little video on about that later on, let you know how I got on. Plus I've rejoined the gym, so I'll be back at the gym. But I've been to Morrisons and done my food shop, so I'm going to just show you what I've got. I'm not going to tell you any sin values at the moment, just because the Slimming World plan has changed. I'll be picking up my new booklet later today, so I will go through that in my next video when I've weighed in, and we'll go through the new book and see what it holds and what the changes are and everything there. So yeah, so here's what I've got. I think it cost me £99 in Morrisons, and I nipped to Savers, not Savers, Home Bargains, and picked up a couple of bits there just for a few quid, so I'll show you what I've got. Okay, so starting off, I've got a couple of packs of Maris Pipers. I'm going to be having steak and chips later in the week and things, and I'm making some soup. So yeah, got those. A couple of packs of carrots. A couple of punnets of mushrooms. I've got 2 lots of easy peelers. I've got vegetable soup kits. I really like these, and it's so easy. Just add a bit of stock in, and that's your soup done. Pack of bean sprouts. Tonight for tea we're going to be having some stir fry. So I've got these just to mix all in together. So I've got a hot and spicy stir fry, and I got the Chinese stir fry. So we'll have that along with the bean sprouts. Then we've got some red onions, a bag of mixed salad leaves. They're only £1, which isn't bad. I've got some Mediterranean style veg, and that's just to roast later in the week with something that I'm going to be having, some steak. Cherry tomatoes, pack of radishes, and then some diced carrot and swede. So my husband really likes this made into a soup along with some potatoes and onions. A really basic soup. Pack of courgettes, some celery, spring onions. I fancy making the dirty rice this week. The recipe's on Pinch and Nom, so if I do it, I'll video that. But they didn't have any pork mince in Morrisons, so I might just use the beef mince and see how it goes. So there's that. Got a cucumber, some peppers, so red, yellow and orange pepper, honeydew melon, Galia melon, some seedless grapes, conference pears and bananas. So meat-wise, so Friday night my son's home, so it'll be me, my husband and my son, so we'll have steak and chips. So I've got these rump steaks, which are really nice from Morrisons. So you get 2 steaks for £7. So I got 3 of those, and then I got a pack of these, which I'll probably make into a slow cooker casserole, and just chop it into pieces. So that's the steaks. Got some lean mince, and I got, that's free on Slimming World. Chicken's free, so any lean meats are free. So yeah, I got a couple of packs of chicken breasts, got some quark, some mozzarella. Now they didn't have any of the reduced fat mozzarella, so I'm just going to have to sin this, or I'll have a smaller amount for a healthy A. But you do get 2 healthy A's now on the new plan, so I know that much, so I'm not as worried. So that's that. These protein drinks are from Home Bargains, and I think these ones were 69p, 30 grams of protein, which is really good. Also got these from Home Bargains, which is the Mayflower curry sauce mix, and it's just amazing. So this is just a powder which you mix up with water, heat it up, and honestly the curry sauce, it tastes just like Chinese curry sauce, and it's so nice. So this will be going on top of my stir fry later. I'll be posting all my meals on my Instagram account. So it's Marcy's Slimming World. I'll pop a link down below. So if you do want to have a look at me on Instagram with all my food, please feel free to follow me there. Got a couple of packs of the smoked medallions, bacon medallions. Some reduced fat sausages, And these are the Cumberland ones. Got some chicken breast, like Bernard Matthew chicken breast. Just chop this up in a salad for my lunch at work. Noodles I got from Home Bargains. They're not very much, but it's a medium size. You get small ones and like fine ones, but I prefer the medium egg noodles. And these are really nice. 6 minutes and they're done. They didn't have any best of both milk, which is what my preference is, because I don't like the red top. I'm not a fan of skim milk. I normally get the best of both because it is skimmed milk and tastes like a semi-skimmed. So I got this one instead, which is your 1%. So it's a little bit better than semi-skimmed, not quite as good as skimmed. Flavoured milk is my husband's. Got lentils for my soup, some tomato puree, and these Maggie sheets to cook chicken breasts in are just amazing. They do loads of different flavours. This one's paprika, and honestly, if you've not tried them, you need to try them because they make your chicken so tasty. Keeps it really, really juicy and moist, and it's honestly the best thing ever for chicken breasts, especially if you think that they're a bit bland and don't taste of anything. They've got I love this one. They've got an Italian herb one. They've got like a garlic one, tomato, Mediterranean something or other. But yeah, really, really, really lovely. Muller Lights at the moment in Morrisons, you can get 10 singles for £4, but these 6s are £2, so I get 12 for £4 instead. So I got this one and this one, and you must remember now that flavoured yogurts are now skinned on Slimming World. Mullers are no longer free. Couple of packs of passata, some couscous, again just handy for my lunch to take to work. The tuna was reduced, was on special in Morrisons, so there's 4 cans of tuna for £3.50 I think. So I've got mine in spring water. They have it in brine, sunflower oil, but yeah, I prefer it in the spring water. Did I say I got juice? Some orange and some orange and pineapple, both sugar free. Desperately trying to get off my Pepsi Max. Not bought any, so see how it goes. Couple of tins of chopped tomatoes. Chopped tomatoes and passata, I think as long as you've got those in courgettes and things like that, you can normally sort of make your meals, your Slimming World recipes. A lot of them have tomato-based sauces. Couple of tins of peas. I've got some mushy and some marrow fat, big peas, basmati rice, Yorkshire Gold. Oh, my favourite tea. It's expensive, I think, for the Yorkshire Gold, but it does make a lovely cuppa. Now, these are new. I'm not sure on the sins yet, but next time, if they're not too bad, I'll buy them again and I'll let you know. So we've got dark chocolate and cranberries. It is whole grain, so I'm hoping that they might contribute towards a B choice, but we'll see. I'm not convinced. And the juicy red berry. They look nice. We'll see. There's the calories. Where are we? So 104 calories per bar. And this one, 100 calories a bar. So at worst, you're going to be looking at 5 sins thereabouts, which isn't too bad. You can see they look nice and moist and oaty and fruity. So yeah, they look really quite natural and healthy-ish as far as that goes. Considering you could maybe get a curly whirly, this looks a lot better for you. Fibre ones are on sale in Morrisons, £1.50. So you used to be able to get one of these for a healthy bee. I'm not sure if it is yet or not on the new plan. Again, do check, don't rely on me. Some part baked bread. You'd have to sin that. Got myself a new towel for the gym. So it's 100% cotton. This was, I think it was £4 for this size in Morrisons. They had a bigger one. And so it's antimicrobial technology applied. It looks quite nice. They had pink edged ones and these turquoisey ones. And then I got a couple of like a shampoo and a conditioner. I really, really love this clear shampoo from Herbal Essences. They've got the Detox Shine. They have a volume one, and I think they've got a clean one. They're all really, really nice. And so yes, that is all my shopping. So there we go. So do join me later tonight. Hang on, let me turn you around. Yes, as I was saying, do join me later tonight if you're interested to see how I got on at my first official weigh-in. I'm doing a restart, so I'm starting my journey from the very beginning because, as I say, it's a brand new book that's come out. The plan's been changed, so... And I'm really fat and heavy at the minute compared to what I've been. I think this might be my heaviest I've ever been. So it's a good time to restart and just focus. I'm feeling really motivated. I'm going to be getting active. I'm going to be at the gym. I'm going to be eating properly. And let's just see how we go. I'm going on holiday in a few weeks. Sort of the middle of February. So that's a little mini target. And then, so I've got 5 weeks on Saturday till I go away. So... I don't know how much I can lose then, but if I put my mind to it, often on my first weigh-in I can do really well. But yeah, there we go. If you're sort of going to be eating healthy, let me know. What's your favourite things to eat? What's your favourite meals? And see you all later. Bye.